This is a song for the broken hearted. No silent prayer for faith departed. And I ain't gonna be just a face in the crowd. You're gonna hear my voice when I shout it out loud. It's my life and it's now or never. I ain't gonna live forever. I just wanna live while I'm alive. 'Cause it's my life, my heart is like an open highway. Like Frankie said, I did it my way. I just wanna live while I'm alive. Hey everybody, I'm Vasco and today we're taking a look at It's My Life by Bon Jovi. We're doing it in the original key on a high G string uke. Grab yours and let's see how to play this one. Alright, in this song we have 3 parts and we have this. So let's start with this little element first. So I'm grabbing the C minor like this, and then I'm rotating my hand like this. Basically just my elbow goes away from my body. And that way, while still hearing these 2 strings, I'm also pulling down the C string to hear this. Okay? And then we do this. Open C, 3rd fret, C, E string 3rd fret, and then with the middle finger on the 4th fret of the E string, and then again 3rd fret. So slowly. So we're doing this twice in the intro. And then we start the verse. This is a song for the broken hearted. For the most part, the verse is basically just C minor. Here I play C minor once, and then I stop playing and we sing. This is a song for the broken hearted. And then the pick. No silent prayer for faith departed. And actually here on Silent Pray for Faith Departed, I'm not sounding the strums, I'm muting them, just leaving my fingers on top of the fretboard without really pressing. And after that, I start strumming. So let's see. This is a song for the broken hearted. No silent prayer for faith departed. And I ain't gonna be just a face in the crowd. You're gonna hear to F, hear my voice when I shout it out loud. And we have one bar where we just do 2 muted down strums. It's my life, and we go to the chorus. We start with C minor again. It's my life, and it's now or never, to A flat here, right? So I'm just starting the middle finger on the 4th fret of the E string and the ring finger on the 5th fret of the G string. Okay, and then we have E flat to B flat. All right, and the second time is a little bit different. We start again C minor to A flat, but directly going to B flat, and the last bar is splitted between B flat and G. Very quickly playing the G chord and then repeating one more time the chorus. And as for the strumming pattern, I'm just doing down, 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 up here on this part, like this. It's my life and it's now or never. I ain't gonna live forever. I just wanna live while I'm alive. It's my life, my heart is like an open think he said I did it my way. I just wanna live while I'm alive, 'cause it's my life. And again, the intro. And after that we have another verse, another chorus, and after the second chorus we go to the solo bridge, which starts like this. We go A flat, to B flat, to C minor, to F, better stand tall when you're calling you out. Don't bend, don't break, baby, don't back down. Again, we have one bar that is 2 muted down strums, and then we start the chorus again, but singing a little bit higher. It's my life and it's now or never. I ain't gonna live forever. I just wanna live while I'm alive. And then you repeat the chorus twice and you finish the song on C minor. So this sums up my tutorial for It's My Life by Bon Jovi. It will be very helpful if you have the printable in front of you. You can get it in the link in the description. And yeah, thank you for watching. Hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.